These days, most of the people wants to make money online using their smartphone, but most of the people are very doubtful, is it possible to make money online? And my answer is yes, of course you can make money using your smartphones online. There are very several websites which pays you for your work, and some of are very legitimate. And in this video I will show you my 5 top websites which I personally using them for making money. In my list, my first preference is YouTube. Well, there is no need for me to tell you about this website. It is a place where you get paid just by making videos and uploading them to your channel. But it isn't as simple as you think. First of all, you need to get your channel monetized, for which you would require 1000 subscribers and a watch time of 4000 hours on your videos. But if you remain consistent, I assure you that you can make huge money in this platform. All you have to be is be patient, be consistent, and regularly upload your videos on your channel. My second choice is Fiverr. Fiverr is an online marketplace for freelancers. If you have any sort of talent, you can show this here. So basically in this you can post gig telling about the work which you are good at. If the people think that you are an assured seller, then they will hire you. It has many categories, not just website development or any other technical stuff. There also contains non-technical stuff as well, like copywriting or other voiceovers, etc. You can get paid via PayPal, and also it is very trusted websites. You can make very big money using this website. Number 3 in my list is MPL. You can easily find this on Play Store. Making money is very simple in this app. You just have to play simple games, and if you win you will get money. It doesn't require any sort of investment, and you can get money via paytm. Number 4 is trading. There are plenty of apps available on Play Store, but making money isn't that simple. In these apps you need to have complete knowledge of stock marketing first. In the starting you will be given some money as a demo through which you can practice, although later you can link your real account. Once you get hands on this here, there is no limit to the amount of money you can make. Number 5, Quora. Yes, last but not the least, you can make money on this site also. All you need to do is stay active and post answers and questions daily. If Quora thinks that you are active, they will send you an invitation for the Quora partner program through which you can make money. Thank you for watching this video. All the best with your work, and whichever site you choose, I suggest you to be consistent and be patient. One day success definitely comes to you.